Unboxing!
Unboxing time with Brox. Right. Now.
That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Unboxing, Boris.
Unboxing Boris. Ta ta ta. Ta ta. Get it. What's this, Brox? That's the instruction.
This is instruction paper.
And we need 2 AAA battery. The Brox working.
Dinosaur Train, Dinosaur Train.
Now that's Brox Dinosaur Train. Look at that.
There's the tree battery.
Yeah, if you press this one, look. Oh.
I'm the king of the dinosaurs.
Wow.
I'm a tyrannosaurus. Meat. My teeth are really sharp.
Oh no. How about the hands, Brock? No. Oh, it's sleepy now. Show it to Daddy.
I smell meat.
Wow.
He pressed the jaw.
Where do you want me to press?
Press that one.
Where?
Press Boris. Oh, the big one. Took is not the big one. That's fine.
Achoo.
I smell meat.
Look at this, Brock. Look.
Book. The book.
Wow.
Oh, weigh 7 tons someday.
This is the Brachiosaurus. This is the Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurs.
Oh, this is dinosaur.
That's
Oh,
a
that's
Brachiosaurs. See?
Oh, there's a Brachiosaurus. There's a Brachiosaurus.
Where? Show it to Daddy.
There.
Where?
There's a Brachiosaurus there. There's a Brachiosaurus. There's a Brachiosaurus there.
All right. Yeah.
No dinosaur time.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Oh, we're gonna put it in a box.
We put it in the box. Okay.